God, you reign. Forever you reign. Everywhere you reign.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this super gorgeous hairstyle. So before I get started, please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment. So let's get started. Today I'm using Echo Styling Gel Protein, which I went ahead and applied the styling gel in my hair, making sure it's well soaked with this gel, because when it's well soaked, it helps the hair to silk very well. Then I went ahead and combed the hair, and then I used my elastic band to hold it. Then again, I went ahead and did the front hair, making sure the hair is well wet or moisturized, yeah, before I use my super wonderful oil also to moisturize the hair.
You are my God, oh. Jesus, you are my God, oh. You are my God, oh. My God, oh. You are my God, oh. Ewa mawarimo, mi arimo, akwenye nemo, iye minyami, Papa. You are my God, oh. You are my God, oh. You are my God, oh. Jesus, you are my God, oh. Lord, you reign. Everywhere you reign, oh. Every day.
So I went ahead and used elastic band to hold the hair very tight, making sure it's safe up there. And also I use extra gel just to help the hair to silk because it's natural. Yep. And also again, I went ahead and did my edges, right? So after my edges, I rubbed my hair with my hair scarf for about 1 hour. My hair was dry, and then I started crocheting the hair. So this is the hair that I use, which I will leave the name in the description box, so do check it out. So right now what I did was I crocheted around where the putty is. Yeah, that's basically what I did first before I went ahead and did any other thing.
You are my God, oh. You are my God, oh. Forever you reign. Everywhere you reign, oh. That's why you are my God, oh. Jesus, you reign, oh. Everything you reign, oh. Every day you reign, oh. That's why you are my God, oh. Jesus, you reign, oh. Everywhere you reign, oh. Everything you reign, oh. That's why you are my God, oh. Jesus, you are my God. You are my God, oh. You are my God, oh. Jesus, you are my God, oh. Jesus, you are my God, oh. 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 Jesus, you are my God, oh. You are my God, oh.
So after crocheting, I went ahead and wrapped the hair around and used some small pins to hold it. Yeah, very tight.
Papa, you are my God. Jesus, you are my God. You are my God. You are my God. Jesus, you are my.
And also after that, I went ahead and crocheted my front hair.
You are my God. You are my God. Jesus, you are my God. You are my God. My God. You are my God. And what my worry, me arimo, akwenyinemo, iye minyami, Papa. You are my God. You are my God. You are my God. Jesus, you are my God. Lord, you reign. Everywhere you reign. Every day you reign. You make my life beautiful. Jesus, you reign. There is no one like you. You are the Lion of Judah. That's why you are.
So guys, that's the final look. I also went ahead and applied oil just to give the hair a shine. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and then leave a comment. See you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Ciao. Bye-bye.